Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video will be on this bandanas scarf, or you call it scarf, whatever you want to call it. So I have my fabric. I've gone ahead to cut out my fabric. So on fold, I'm going to be showing you or telling you guys the measurement for the length of it. I have 12 inches, and then for the width, remember the width, this width is on fold and the width is around 9 inches. So I have 12 by 9. So by the time you open it up, you have 18 inches here. So I'll go ahead and open this up. So let's start from the right side, from the wrong side, sorry. So from one end of it, I'll mark about 2.75 inches here. Then I'll mark 2.75 inches here. Then remember we have 18 inches at this point. Let's measure from the upper side. So we have 18 inches, or I have 18.5 inches here. So I'll go ahead and mark the center of it. So I have 9 points. I think one side is longer than one. It's supposed to be 18 inches, but let's just work with what we have. So I'll mark at this center. Then I'm going to connect this point to here, and then this point to here. So let's go ahead and connect it before we continue. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to, at this point, I'll go in by half of an inch. And then at this point as well, I'll go in by half of an inch. So I'll go ahead and connect this point coming from here and this point coming from here. So this is what we have. I'll go ahead and cut this out. This is what we have after I was done. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to fold this by a little allowance. So I'll fold this way, and then I'll stitch it all the way to the end. Once I am done, I'll fold this side as well. You can use your bias to do this and stitch it all the way to the end, and I'll do the same thing for the other side. So we are doing this just so that this side, and this side, you're not touching these edges. So we have this other fabric, stripe of fabric we are going to be attaching to the back of it, and the length of it I have 12 inches, and then the width I have 2.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and turn this to the wrong side. I will be doing front fitting from front. I'll stitch it all the way from here to the end by half of an inch. Then I'll turn it to the right side. So guys, this is what we have after I was done. I use my bias, and it will make the work neater if you use bias, but if you don't have bias, just fold the way I showed you guys earlier. So I have this elastic band. It's about 5 inches. So I'm going to, and this stripe of fabric, I'm done stitching it and turning it to the right side. So I'll go ahead and attach my safety pin on this elastic band, and then I'll pass it through. And I'll keep pulling. Once it goes inside this way, I'll stitch it down here, then bring it out from this other side and secure it with a stitch. So guys, this is it after I was done. So all you have to do to use lighter to burn this excess that is coming out here, and then you pull it out this way, and then this other side you pull it out this way. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you find value in it, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my videos to family and friends, wash my ass, and every and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.